This session will be concerned with the functions of the Human Resource Management section. The Human Resource Management function deals with the management and welfare of employees in their place of work. So this is the department that is primarily focused on the development, management, recruitment, welfare of the employees. The human resource function is essential for a good overall performance and growth. Businesses need people. Nothing happens on its own. Output must be produced, tasks must be completed, and to do this, people are required. So people are a resource of the business, an important resource of the business. And a department is needed to ensure that the people are being looked after, that their aspirations are being met, they feel secure in their employment, they feel safe, they're motivated. So the HRM function is an important one. The Human Resource Department should ensure that the working environment is safe and suitable for employees. It's imperative that the employees feel safe at work. They feel that the management are taking every step possible to ensure their safety. That could be guards on machines, or the physical environment in which they're working, the quality of the air, the lighting conditions, the noise levels. So as much as possible has been done to ensure that the employees feel safe in work. They must also ensure that the organizational goals are achieved through the efforts of the employees. The organization sets goals. The goals could be to grow by a certain percentage in the next year, or to innovate a product, or to market a new product in some area, or to achieve some strategic objective that's been set out. And the Human Resource Management section tries to get the workforce on board, to try to get the workforce to achieve those objectives, to work in a manner which will achieve the objectives. So it's the function of the HR section to motivate and look after the employees, but motivate them to achieve the goals of the organization. Human resource management responsibility. Well, it's their responsibility to recruit and to hire, to maintain, develop, and finally to manage the exit of the employees from the organization. So the organization recruits appropriate workers with particular skills and abilities. It goes through the hiring process, getting the workers into the job. And then it tries to maintain the workers by offering incentives and motivations and good morale, a good sense of community and involvement. And it develops the workers through training programs. And finally, it interviews them at the end to see what their experiences were and to see where improvements could be made. Now we'll mention these points again later, but these are essential functions of the HR section. They try to develop motivation through suitable rewards. The rewards may be monetary, there might be remuneration, but it could also be acknowledgement that the people are doing a good job, praise. It doesn't cost too much to praise someone, but people value it. They like to be recognized as having made a contribution. The HR department should also provide training opportunities, training opportunities for the employees. These could be in-house training programs, training related to to the work, training in terms of the skills that are required specifically to do the tasks that are required of the employees. This could be looking after particular types of machinery, or efficiently using records in the stores, or using the computer system in the office, looking at new software, whatever it is. So there are training opportunities so that the employees feel that they are being developed. But it could also be looking for more generic skills and looking outside the organisation for courses being offered at local colleges, for example, to see if they are suitable for the employees also, and promoting these courses within the employee population of the business. It's important to maintain the morale of the business. People are people. People like to have a pleasant life. Pleasant in the sense that they enjoy what they're doing. Pleasant in the sense that they've got colleagues and friends, and they've made new friends, and they're motivated. They're spending a large part of their life making something. They want to work in an environment which is supportive and friendly. So the HR department should undertake whatever means it sees as desirable in promoting morale within the workplace. And of course, the HR section should look at monitoring government legislation and making sure government legislation has been implemented. This could be related to sex discrimination or race discrimination or health and safety issues at work. There are many parts to government legislation relating to business, and it's the function of the HR department to be up to date with these and to ensure adherence to them. Now, these are the essential roles of the HR department. They're very important because, as I said earlier, it's people who make the product. It's people who initiate the routines of the business. It's people who turn up every morning and commit parts of their lives to achieving the objectives of the business. So the role of the HR department is extremely important